Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen flickering on your TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus. So first, what are we going to do to fix the screen flickering is to adjust the brightness manually in the settings. So in order to do that, we need to go over into the settings. Now in those settings, we scroll down to display and brightness, and here we change the brightness just by easily tapping or swiping with a dot. So here we can change the brightness. Now if you use adaptive brightness, then it will boost it up and it will destroy our settings, so make sure that you turn adaptive brightness off. And what are we going to do next is we're going to go to Play Store, and in the Play Store search for screen dimmer OLED saver. So now we got screen dimmer and now OLED saver. It should pop up any second. Now it popped up and now it is searching for it. So soon we should see the app and it should be ready to use. Now let me quickly switch to the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi will be much faster. And now once we switch to the Wi-Fi, we should be able to easily connect. And now we're gonna click on try again and let's see if that works. So we got it. This is this app right here made by Ruhex. We want to download it, and it is one of the best apps to dim your screen or to just change it. So here, first permission to modify the system settings so it can change our brightness. Now we're gonna leave the settings and go here. Now the accessibility, very important setting, because we want to make sure that our app actually change the brightness whenever we update our overlay or enable the keyboard. And the notifications, here we can enable it, and as you guys can see, it works just fine. So once you turn this off, make sure to lower your brightness manually. You have to do it. And now what are we going to do is we can also change some brightness settings, like always on display mode. Extra dim can be brighter or dimmer. I turned this off so there's no change on our screen. But here we can change minimum physical brightness, brightness change delay, and change duration. So now what are we going to do is we're going to go over into settings. In those settings, what are we going to do is we're simply going to check for software updates in the system, and then system update. Now we're going to click on online update, and we want to make sure that we are on the latest version, as you guys can see. And if you're not, make sure to update, very important setting, because you want to make sure that you do not have any old glitches. And that's basically it for the video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.